Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and I am from Instam Lab. Today we will be learning about how to create an app in MIT App Inventor 2. To start it, we have to open the Google Chrome and type MIT App Inventor 2 and click enter. Open the first link, wait for some seconds, it will lead to you this page. Click on create apps, wait for some second, then it will ask you for signing. You have to select a particular account that you want to sign in. As I have already signed in, so this option is not coming in my device. So, and if this window is coming, welcome to App Inventor, click continue. Now go to my project and click on start a new project. And you need to write a particular name for that. So I'm writing hello innovators underscore demo. Now make sure the MIT App Inventor doesn't accept spaces. So either use underscore or don't leave a gap and click OK. Once you click OK, it will lead you to this page. This is a virtual phone page where this is my designer window, you can say, where we will be designing the app and then we will be writing the code for the same. So this designer window has four parts. First one is palette, second one is viewer, this part, third one is component, and the fourth one is property. Let's talk about one by one. So first one is palette. We have user interfaces, layouts, media. If you want to add some images, if you want to add some camera, sound, anything else. So all the things are present here. So now let's talk about a app that we are going to make. So this app is about Hello Innovators. There will be one screen, one label, and one button. Once the user is going to click the button, the text for the label one is going to change the other text, whatever we want. So now the viewer part has a virtual screen. You can see the screen one is written. And in the component section, by default, the screen one is here. First, to make a project, to make an app, we need to change a couple of properties of screen one. So I'm going to change the couple of properties of screen one. First one will be align horizontal center, align vertical center, scroll a little bit down. Background color can be of your color. Right now, I'm going to select pink. Scroll a little bit more down. Then you will find out there's one more property that says screen orientation. Click here and select sensor. Now, these are the four properties that we need to change for the screen one. Now, after this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop a label like this from the user interface and automatically it will come on the center because we have changed the properties of the screen one. Now we will be changing the couple of properties of label one, font bold, font size can be 16 or it can be like 18 or according to your app that you are going to make. Right now, let's make it 24. That would be good. You can just compare it from the virtual phone as well. Width will be fill parent. Once you click on fill parent, then make sure click OK. Text for the label one will be hello innovators of Instam Lab. I'm going to write this text and it will appear in the virtual phone. That's how we are going to do it. And the text has to be on the center like this. So this is my label one and couple of properties that we have changed for the label one. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick and drop one button below the label one. That is very important. Make sure you can see a blue line is coming. If you just take it out above the label one, it will come right here like this. But what we have to do, we have to drop it below the label one. And now I'm going to change a couple of properties of label one. Font bold, font size can be 18 or according to your choice. Automatic width and height, I'm going to use it as it is. And the text for the button one would be click me like this. And I'm not going to change any of these properties. This is the basic properties that I'm going to change it for the button. Now our designer part is ready. Now what we have to do, we have to write a code for this part. Now if you can see on the extreme right side, designer is written, designer and blocks. If you want to go for the block part, you have to click on the blocks. If you want to come back on the designer, click on designer. So designer part is already ready. Now I'm going to use it for the blocks part. Now for the block, what I want, when the user is going to click the button one, what was the button one? Let's go back and just have a look. This is a button one that says click me. So once the user is going to click the button one, the text for the label one, that is Hello Innovators of InSTEM Lab, has to change to some other text. So what we have to do, we will go to label one, pick and drop one block that says when button one dot click label one, click on label one and find out one block that says set label one dot text. So once the user is going to click the label one, button one, the text for the label one has to change to some other text. So what I'm going to do, I'll go to text and I'm going to pick one block that is a empty blank text, you can say. And whatever I'm going to write it here, it will replace the text of the label one. This is the label one text. So let's go back and let's suppose I'll write, I have made my first app. That's it. Our first app is ready. So simple, right? So what we are going to do, we need to check it whether it's working or not. So how do we check it? So we have three options to check this app. So first we need to download this file. So how to download this file? You can see on the main menu, it says build is written. Once you click on build and the two options will come. Select the second option, click over there and it will just, you have to wait for some second, it's compiling it. So it will take a couple of minutes to compile it. Wait for some second, don't close any window, don't go anywhere, just wait here. After a couple of minutes, it will be downloaded in your downloaded folders in your laptop or in your computer. Now, after downloading it, what you have to do, you have to transfer your file in your Android phone. How to do it? You have 3 to 4 options. First option, the best option you can do it, you can use USB cable. If you don't have a USB cable to transfer the file, then you can use WhatsApp web. Open your WhatsApp web in your laptop or in your desktop, then transfer it as a document. Now, the third option is you can just send it through your mail as a document. Once you send your file in your Android phone, then open that file and click on install. Once you install it, your app is ready. Over there, you will just have to click on click me, like this one here, click me. And so whatever the text that we have written, what was the text we have written? I have made my first app. So this was the text that I have made, that I have written here. It's going to appear in the instead of label. Right now it's overlapping this, that is fine. If the button or the label is overlapping to each other, that is not a big problem, as this is just a virtual phone. Once you install it in your Android phone, then it will work perfectly fine. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you so much.